Hey YouTube fam, blessed day to you. Hope you're having a beautiful day. This has been a pretty good minute. A long time I not see me on that channel. I don't know if I'm cooking. I can't manage this heat. I'm gonna just carry on every time about to go. Anywho, this morning I'm gonna be making some breakfast. We have never made breakfast in like forever. A long time I made breakfast. You know the eat we're going to Jamaica. You know your girl, I can't handle it. So today guess what I'm gonna do? I have here some flour and I'm gonna make some barefoot fritters. Stew down some sausage and I'm gonna put some baked bean with it. So I got my flour. I don't know if fritters mixed up already. I pure flour I'm having at this time. And I have black pepper. I put in some black pepper. But on top of that I hope you make sure that you're having a beautiful day and you're trying to right through this heat. I have already since morning is a cup of chamomile tea. Dad, behind the camera. Say good morning, Dad.
Good morning, everybody.
Yeah, Dad did it. So I put the extra salt and I put the garlic powder because the saltfish not in like this. I said I can't find the garlic powder. I use them something too tough so it look like it. Yeah, I'm putting a little garlic powder. Could I grate a little fresh garlic to go look here. It's not happening in the kitchen. So look here. So I'm going to go down, I put some tomato. I cut up one tomato and some scallion in it. Gonna have the batter ready. And when you see me next, I will be over there making some barefoot fritters. So see, I have my drop. So this is my barefoot fritters. This is my barefoot fritters recipe batter. There's no saltfish in there. Yeah. So maybe if you have frankfurt, I may have it, but I just want to stew it differently with the baked beans. So I start putting some fritters. I can't get them thin like camera girl. This pot is so pot should a little hotter. This pot is so thick, family. It's a really thick frying pan. I don't know why it's so thick. It's really good. I don't know if it's, and it never chip, it never cracks. So barefoot fritters for breakfast with some stew sausage and baked bean with it. Yeah, we don't want to fry two of them little white toast something there, but them soft, them get soft. So what I think me I gonna do, I'm gonna do something with them and I may just make a video and show you what I'm gonna do with them. I have too much oil in my pot, but guess what? You see when time them at time you run family, all kind of something you do, all sort of thing you do, your brain don't function. You get all some whole heap of brain freeze. Yeah, so them are go and stay there, them are go and fry. Me I go and wash off my cutting board and me I go start. Cut up my sausages because I don't plan for in this place. This kitchen is too long enough for me. I don't plan for in this kitchen for too long, so that's what I'm about doing right now. I'm going to wash off the cutting board and cut up my sausage there. Next plate. So I'm taking out the first set. I'm making them so flat and crispy, like the tostones or something like what we do the other day. So me at family, me just tell that off camera, say a pear burn me I get from the other day in my kitchen. I never, me's not a woman will get burned in the kitchen, but I have one ghost in here that seems to be, every move me make me I get burned up from the other day in my kitchen. But guess what? Family, YouTube, me I burn him out of my kitchen today. Yeah? He's not gonna stay in it. Every single thing we do from the other day. And I'm thinking that I would have champion. Maybe, just maybe, it's the times heat of it and my body is like so off key. I'm nervous. I don't know why. But I don't think so. I'm not sure. Yeah, but me I make them flat like this. Yeah. So the first set take like seriously forever because this frying pan is so thick. I don't even know where I make it. But it is the thickest thing you can ever find. It takes forever to eat up. So that's my first batch of barefoot fritters out. And look on that mess here. And I will not have it. Real kitchen, real life. Yeah. Must when you do your kitchen and you have vlog for all of the vlog of them and something, you for sure are the kitchen people when they do cooking. show the people them this. This is real kitchen. When you clean it up and have it spick and span, that is a souvenir. It's not, that's a fake kitchen. You must show the people them real things are happening in your kitchen. Show mess. Make them show up, make them see real mess. So them not think say something wrong with them when it happen to them at them house. Yeah. So I'm trying to get in some more. I'm gonna take my one put no more. So first set out, and you know your girl that eat one because you know guess so. The hungry they pan me. Cut up the frankfurt of them already. Should I have 2 more but I don't. Okay now family, so my fritters are all here finished. And what's that? Whoa. I have my frankfurter in here and I'm gonna start browning them up a bit. Me cut my baked bean. I'm gonna use about a half of this baked bean. I think me did just put on this right here so it kinda like it. Just the way it like what do I do? I stainless steel still so. Everything these days is water down. I don't know why I make that sound. So I have some onions on my chop. Yeah, so that I take time start browning. So I get my chopped onions in with my little I don't know, it look like a carrot and sitting but it in the freezer. Whatever it is mine. I put it in there. So I know some little bell pepper. So I'm kind of happy me find it because I don't think I actually have bell peppers in the refrigerator. So I'm kind of glad to find it. So mix them together. And I wait till the sausage start brown up, and then I'm gonna add it to it. When I sitting there, what is something they name this patata acting? I show you see look cute they act. Yeah, some little sausage them brown up. Yeah, make them brown up a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna be a good breakfast. We don't want just some natural fruit juice. I have tea. Did I mention that? I have 1 cup of chamomile tea already. So I make them go and brown up them. It's number 2. I can't wait. Show them the fritters them again. You must make them crispy and flat and nice. I think Kobe is the queen of making them crispy. She does it good. I don't know. I'm not really good at it. So let me look for you. Nerves. The eat. I'm gonna put some of this in there. Yeah. We haven't made breakfast. I think I did mention that. I'm gonna repeat myself here. We haven't made breakfast in all long time. We just come and get a cup of tea, run out of the kitchen, run all over the place, trying to run out of the eat, run out of the house. Can't get anything done. You know the drill. And then the day you go back to bed right through the night. It's so calming. You have to wake up in the night and try to cool yourself down. Wake up morning that, but this morning I tell the devil set him a liar. So these are browning up. Browning up a little. This one and brown up a little more. Actually you can use any, these are like frankfurters in Jamaica, but you can have, these are not so salty, but you can use any other sausage. Well, you know, I like when I think them brown up. I like when them look whitey and so. So you know, we make them brown up and little more. So when that happens, I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so I'm going to add in my little, you know, in Jamaica we say seasoning. But I'm going to add my little condiments them. Yeah. I'm going to add it in there. And because that is in there. Look pretty there too. What you said, Daddy? Yeah. Yeah. Go on with that little thing in there. Yeah. Putting in a little garlic powder. I always have this pharmacy where it look like a color change color. I'm using something that looks very like, but you know, garlic or garlic for me. Put in a little black pepper. Yeah. Let's try cut it out of the kitchen. Let's use a little garlic powder. Put in some of the oyster sauce. I don't know which one this. I could buy it. I never see this one brand before. I don't know which you find. So not my brand at all. Just a little bit, just to give it a little lift, yeah. And that look like about a teaspoon. I mean, I want no more. Nobody not asking a recipe. This is not a recipe, fam. Let's see if water and I can put it. Show a little bit, baby, about a tablespoon of water. I'm just showing you how you can just get it for breakfast. Never plan on this, and I just come out and I wonder what am I gonna make for breakfast. And now I am going to put about half of this bean, the rest may I go freeze. Yeah. But I'm more than half, but it doesn't matter. So I'll get the cover for that and that. Turn my stove down a little low. Yeah, some pepper in there, but true that not enough pepper. I don't know it, but so me put the additional pepper. Some hot sauce should I in this, but can't put it. Me have to make everybody put for them one individually. It look good, no look bad. What do you say about it?
Look good.
You look like you don't eat some. You look funny. Yeah, so I turn it down low and I go leave it for the steam down. So I show you next when you see me. Dish out some for Dad. And so. Okay, next clip, fam. Then sit me up here cornstarch and they put them together, the bean in it. I mean, I think they shouldn't use cornstarch because it have its own things to make it own, but yeah, so. I don't want to put soy sauce because it's gonna be too salty, you know, I don't want that, but we're going, I can't go on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And we are going to eat enough with something in and I want it like this, so I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna plate some up for Dad. Yeah. Plate some up. So I plate some for Dad, fam. Him say him eating thing not chipping it, but I don't know. I just eat coffee and after a certain time. So can drink coffee at morning time. And then that's why you always have gas that take you up. This is so nice, Dad. I think you should have tried eat now. Let me clean around this side. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice, really nice. See the family, my barefoot fritters, and stewed sausages. You can use any meat kind where you want, you know. Stew it and put it with it and do your thing. Yeah. So see there. I'm gonna dish up myself some, and at the next clip, I'm gonna sit down and eat it. I'm gonna show you how I eat it. Alright, I'm gonna plate up some for myself now. Okay, now family, so this is mine. This is how I take when I see it, yeah. And I'm telling you no, so that not eat it with the pepper, so may I put some hot sauce. Yeah, mix something for me. I'm gonna mix that whole heap in a cup. I'm not sure if there's something there. I mean, a friend. Just mix in a cup, yeah. So I'm gonna put like a hot sauce for me because I'm hungry, and the chamomile tea has settled down my body here. So I mix up the thing with my hot sauce and something. So like this, you just use it like this. Some color would be nice right here for me mix with this now. See? Wow. And you don't have to use sausages, wow. Like a baked bean. You don't have to use sausages. You can use any little thing you have, whatever. You can put it with even some broad beans too, anything you have. Some color with this to the side. It was so good. Wow. That's my baked bean I drop off. My hand tremble. It make the nerves bad. Yeah. You see that? Yeah. Okay, now YouTube fam, breakfast was really good. I add just water and some milk of water. I just pull out my hair. I think my girl got the wrong ear color for me this time, but it no matter. I go retwine it. Yeah, you see it just shrink up. That's how my hair is. That's some of my hair stay. So camera girl hair stay. So anywho, um, it was a pleasure making breakfast with you on my show and what I make. If you want to try it, you can try. You don't have to really use sausages. Any little thing, any little pieces like any little thing. If you have some salt fish and so it's just a little thing that I use, or I came up with it. But if you eat greens, you can try some greens mix, on the side with the baked beans. If you don't use baked beans, you can use some other beans, broad beans, green peas. No, not only green peas. You can use some mixed vegetable. Do your thing. Thanks for watching. Remember to make sure you're subscribed. Make sure to give this video a like. See, just leave me some comments below what you think about it, how you like it, okay? And I showed you. Don't ask for the recipe. This channel is not a tutorial channel, so just watch the video to the T. Barefoot Fritters, cook up that, you know it. Today is gonna be a pretty hot day. I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna meet you on the cooking channel with a cooking topic. So thanks for watching. We are trying to get back ourselves in gear with our little everyday videos on this family channel and other stuff. But let me tell you, this time the eat is more than us, and I know you understand. But thanks for watching. We are on our road to 20,000 strong, and we will not be wrong. Remember to make sure that you share out these videos. Love you, and remember, I'll catch you again with another video or another live, and until then, it's gonna be ciao. That would I say, Barefoot Fritters.